Cooking on the go usually means dealing with weak flames or uneven heat. I got tired of guessing which portable electric stove actually gets the job done, so I bought the 5 most popular models on the market and put them to the test. Whether you're in an RV, a dorm, or just need an extra burner, I'll help you figure out which one is actually worth your cash. Product number 1, Carinier 2-burner electric cooktop. Starting with the Carinier, the first thing I noticed when I pulled it out of the box were these handles on the side. It makes moving it around way easier than the flat slabs I'm used to. Since it's a double burner, I could actually cook pasta and sauce at the same time, which is a huge plus. The build feels solid with that stainless steel body. In my testing, the knobs gave me pretty precise control over the heat, going all the way up to 1200 degrees Fahrenheit on the main burner. It's got 2000 watts of power total, so it heats up fast. It doesn't use induction, so you can use any pot you have lying around. If you need a full mini kitchen setup for a campsite or RV, this is definitely the heavy hitter of the bunch. Product number 2, Nafwin single burner. If 2 burners feels like overkill, I swapped over to the Nafwin single burner. It's much more compact, perfect if you're tight on counter space. I really like the thermal conductivity on this one. The ceramic panel gets hot evenly, so I didn't get those annoying burnt spots in the middle of the pan. It gives you 10 distinct power levels, which I played around with. Simmering soup on low and searing steak on high worked great. I also noticed a cooling fan underneath that kicks in to keep things safe, which adds to the durability. The touch controls are responsive, not finicky like some cheap electronics can be. Honestly, for a dorm room or a boat where space is gold, this little guy holds its own without taking over the room. Product number 3, Carinier portable electric stove. Then I tried out the Carinier. This one feels very similar to the Nafwin, but leans heavily into being plug and play. It's incredibly lightweight. When I was testing the interface, the touch sensor panel felt intuitive. You aren't fighting through complex menus just to boil water. It has 9 power levels, and I found the heating to be consistent. One thing I appreciate as a parent is the child safety lock. It's a small detail, but it gave me peace of mind when I had it set up on the counter. It fits pretty much any cookware, glass, stainless steel, iron, so you don't need to buy special pans. If you want something straightforward that just works right out of the box for quick meals, this fits the bill perfectly. Product number 4, VBGK LED touch control. Next, I fired up the VBGK with the full touch control. Design-wise, this black crystal panel looks slick and actually wipes down really easily. I spilled some sauce during testing, and once it cooled, a quick wipe with a cloth took it right off without scratching. It's got 1800 watts of power, and I noticed it performs almost exactly like a gas stove in terms of heat intensity. It's also CE and FCC approved, which tells me the internal wiring is actually safe, a big deal for portable electrics. It handles frying and stir-frying well because it holds high temps steadily. If you care about having a modern-looking appliance that's durable enough to toss in the back of a car for a trip, this is a strong contender. Product number 5, VBGK knob control with handle. Finally, I tested another version from VBGK, but this one has a physical knob and a handle. I have to say, I prefer this over the touch-only version. There's something satisfying and faster about just twisting a dial to drop the heat rather than tapping a screen when a pot is boiling over. It has the same 1800 watt power and works with all cookware types, copper, cast iron, aluminum, but the addition of the handle makes it way more portable. I also tested the timer, which goes up to 4 hours, making it great for slow cooking stews. If you hate touchscreens and want that old-school physical control with modern heating tech, this was my personal favorite for ease of use. That's my breakdown of the best portable stoves out there. Whether you need the double burner power of the Carinier or the tactile knob on the VBGK, they all get the job done. I've dropped links to all of them in the description so you can check the current prices. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!